Hi, welcome to our channel. It's been raining for 2 days straight. We finally got a little break. I'm sure we're gonna get more. It's been pouring for 2 days straight. Another tropical depression or something like that. I was out working yesterday in the rain. Yeah, see, it's all real slippery. I made a little bench out here. So I can sit and watch the fire. Pretty nice, huh? Won't last long with all the termites here, but it's something though. I've got two knives to show you. Sitting on the new bench. This little knife here, it's got a bottle opener, a fish scaler, came razor sharp, good looking handles on it, real cheap vinyl sheath, but and this one about the same. Nice handles, has a little circle here on this side to hold it. But the beauty of both these knives were they're both 87 pesos, and that's about $1.50. They're both razor sharp, no names on them or anything like that. I got them on Shopee. But they'd be good if you need them. That's all I got.